Bruh. In the store. You're a dog.
You can't get up.
It's not that serious.
Hello!
It's gonna make it. What?
For them. Don't fucking mark at me. No, you jumped over these.
Where is the...
You know you can't be. you know. Stop.
Don't touch my food.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Oh my god.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
Why are you mad?
Don't touch my food.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Don't bite his tail. Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Said you coming out?
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Meow, 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 ow!
Meow.
Don't bite his tail.
Yo, brother.
Don't do it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Me, 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 sexy.
He's only been a doggy.
Oh, shut.
Why do you want to go in the ice cream shop?
Ender, what?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
I need my referral so I can book the appointment.
What are you doing?
Guys, stop it.
She was so intense.
Ryan, do you want to get neutered?
Be careful, babe.
What can I get for you?
Did you get that?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his face. Ven, papi.
No!
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.
And then?
Oh no.
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.